Let's attempt to see how Jinja fits into the overall architecture of Flask. So let's start off with a client, in this case a browser, making a request to our web page for a particular URL. In this case, let's say they want /home. So what's really happening is they'll go to a website, click enter for /home. This request is picked up by our web server. So this is our web server running at the address of our website. So in this case, it's localhost or the equivalent IP address for localhost. And we'll run our Flask application. Flask will then attempt to find the corresponding route handler for this particular request. So it will try to find an app.route for home. Or more specifically, in terms of our code, it will try to find this. If it doesn't find that, then we get some not found request. So once it's found the correct route, it will run the function, in this case def home, and eventually we make a call to this render template function and return the results. So let's write that down. So it will call the view function and then call render template, which takes in as an argument a file name. Now this file name will be the Jinja template. And this could be some HTML. So let's say we have a HTML tag, as well as special Jinja syntax such as double curly braces for displaying data passed into it. And we can have a closing tag for the HTML. What this function will do is convert the Jinja template into HTML. So it will compile it or interpret it, get rid of all these special Jinja syntax and convert it into HTML. And then finally, Flask will then return, or the web server will return the response containing the HTML payload, which the browser will display.